If you've always been told you feel too much, this was never a flaw. From the moment you were old enough to feel deeply, the world tried to correct you. They told you that you overreact, that you feel too much, that life would be easier if you stopped taking things so seriously. You learned early that sensitivity was something to apologize for, so you tried to quiet it. You swallowed emotions. You trained yourself to smile when something hurt. You told yourself to toughen up, even when every cell in your body resisted. But what if the advice you were given was fundamentally wrong? What if nothing about you needs fixing? What if the trait you were taught to suppress is not a flaw, but a rare biological advantage? Because neuroscience is now confirming something that sensitive people have always felt but could never prove. Your brain is not weaker. It is more advanced. You are not broken. You are not fragile. You are not defective. You are what psychology labels a highly sensitive person. But that term doesn't go far enough. A more accurate description is this: you are a super sensor. While most people move through life picking up only what's obvious, your nervous system is scanning everything. Emotional shifts, environmental cues, subtle inconsistencies, unspoken tension, meaning beneath words. You aren't imagining it. Your brain is literally processing more data. To understand why life feels so intense for you, we need to stop talking about personality and start talking about biology. This isn't a mindset issue, it's hardware. Your brain is built differently. Think of the brain like an imaging system. Most people are operating with a setting that prioritizes efficiency. Their minds compress information, discard background details, and focus only on what seems immediately useful. This allows them to move quickly, make fast decisions, and stay emotionally insulated. Your brain does the opposite. It captures reality at a far higher resolution. Instead of compressing experience, it expands it. Instead of filtering aggressively, it keeps the feed open. Instead of skimming the surface, it dives deep. Neuroscience has identified 3 major neurological differences that explain why. 1. Your filter is wider open. Most brains rely heavily on a mechanism called latent inhibition. This system automatically screens out stimuli that appear irrelevant. Background sounds, subtle sensations, emotional undercurrents, so the brain can conserve energy. Your brain has lower latent inhibition. That means far less gets ignored. You don't just register the conversation, you notice the shift in tone. You don't just sit in a room, you feel its atmosphere. You don't just observe behavior, you sense intention. This is why crowded places drain you, why noise feels louder, why chaos overwhelms you faster than others. But this same trait is also why you see patterns before they emerge, why you detect problems early, why you recognize beauty, nuance, and opportunity where others see nothing. What feels like overstimulation is actually expanded perception. 2. Your empathy circuits are amplified. Inside your brain lives a network of cells called mirror neurons. These neurons allow humans to understand others by internally simulating their emotional states. In your brain, this system is unusually responsive. You don't just recognize that someone is hurting. Your nervous system mirrors their pain. Their anxiety tightens your chest. Their sadness weighs on your body. Their joy lifts you without explanation. This is not weakness. It is deep interpersonal attunement. You are absorbing emotional information the same way others absorb sound or light. And in a world overflowing with emotional noise, that makes you incredibly perceptive and incredibly exhausted. You are not too sensitive. You are highly receptive. 3. Your mind processes at greater depth. This is the trait that causes the most self-doubt. You pause longer before speaking. You hesitate before acting. You replay conversations. You analyze decisions from multiple angles. And somewhere along the way, You learn to label this as overthinking. But psychology tells a different story. Your brain engages in deep processing. While others react instinctively, your mind evaluates meaning, consequence, and context. You connect present moments to past experiences, future outcomes, and underlying motives, all at once. You aren't slower. You're more comprehensive. Your hesitation is not confusion. It's computation. Your brain is running simulations to choose the most accurate response. That isn't a flaw. That's advanced cognition. Why evolution kept you now? Here's the question that changes everything. If this trait makes life harder, why didn't evolution eliminate it? The answer is simple: because groups,